Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about find the step and ramp functions. So now I will show you how to answer. If we look carefully about this one, we can see that this one is parallel with OS. That means about this one in here. So we can use about unit step. So the first thing we need to know that this is about the unit step. Here is about the basis of ut in here. Now because we have the step of number 2, that means we just multiply by number 2 and we will have number 2 in here. So this one I will put about ut. This one I will put about 2ut. And later that from here they will reduce back to number 1. So they will increase at number 2 and they will reduce at number 4. So that means 2ut they start at number 2 and later that we need to minus about another step, unit step, later that to reduce back to number 1. So we have st equals to ut. Later that we increase about 1 unit in here at t equals to number 2. So we will have about ut minus 2 when t equals to number 2, because when t is smaller than number 2, the graph of this one that should be like this. So if t is smaller than positive number 2, they will got about 0 in here. That's why when they start at number 2, they will add about 1 unit in here. So that's why we have positive number 2 in here when t equals to number 2. Later that we need to reduce about 1 unit in here. So we need to minus and they start at t equals to number 4. So that should be about ut minus number 4. And that's why we have the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.